Engineering for Kids. Inspiring the next generation of engineers. What is STEM education? STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. At Engineering for Kids, students learn how to use the engineering design process to solve problems. Ask, brainstorm, design, build, test, and improve. By exposing students to STEM and giving them opportunities to explore STEM-related concepts, like aerospace engineering, marine engineering, electronics, robotics, programming, and more, they will develop a passion for it and hopefully pursue a job in a STEM field. STEM activities provide hands-on and minds-on workshops for the student. Making math and science both fun and interesting helps the student to do much more than just learn. Engineering for Kids is one of the top 10 educational STEM academies in the USA. Headquartered in Virginia, and accredited by Cognia and STEM.org, and now has more than 180 branches in 40 countries. We are proud to inspire children to build their natural curiosity by teaching engineering concepts through hands-on learning. STEM knowledge extends beyond a career, it's knowledge for life. Benefits of STEM education. Develop critical thinking. Cultivate curiosity. Enhances cognition. Improve research skills. Advances communication capability. Expand tech aptitude. Creates collaborative attitude. In 2015, Engineering for Kids opened its first branch in Egypt. We have trained more than 20,000 students, and we have partnered with more than 45 schools.